Modi launched Make in India, but nowadays it is rape in India. First rape capital remark and now rape in India jibe taken by Rahul Gandhi. He is criticizing the Modi government, but Rahul Gandhi ultimately in a way is also maligning the image of the country when he says it is rape in India now.
देखिए, जहां भी आप देखो, देश में नरेंद्र मोदी ने कहा था मेक इन इंडिया, कहा था ना। अब आप जहां भी देखो, मेक इन इंडिया नहीं भैया, अब है रेप इन इंडिया। रेप इन इंडिया, जहां भी देखो। देखिए, जहां भी आप देखो, देश में नरेंद्र मोदी ने कहा था मेक इन इंडिया, कहा था ना। अब आप जहां भी देखो, मेक इन इंडिया नहीं भैया, अब है रेप इन इंडिया। रेप इन इंडिया, जहां भी देखो।
अब मेक इन इंडिया नहीं है, अब रेप इन इंडिया है, कह रहे हैं राहुल गांधी. Let's go across to my colleague Prashant, who's joining us live. Very conveniently, Rahul Gandhi has forgotten about all the rape cases in Rajasthan after Ashok Gehlot government came into power. Yes, he has a right to criticize the Narendra Modi government and their policies, but isn't he also maligning the image of the country when he says it is rape in India now?
Well, Swati, you see, this is not the first time that Rahul Gandhi has made a comment like this. In fact, earlier last week, we also had the leader of the Congress in Lok Sabha, Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who came out on the floor of the House and said, used the very similar terminology when he said rape in India on the lines of Make in India. So clearly, I mean, Congress party is hell-bent on attacking the government over the kind of news that we are getting from across the nation, the kind of attacks that we are seeing on women, the kind of molestation and such incidents are being reported on women. But the fact is, this is happening all across the nation. So it's not just one government that is responsible, but all the governments are responsible. And whenever a matter of discussion, whenever a discussion comes up in the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, we see most of the parliamentarians actually absent from those debates. So clearly, there needs to be a solution that needs to be drawn to it, rather than attacking one or the other government. So clearly, Mr. Rahul Gandhi needs to understand that by using such terminology, he is only attacking the government, but is not working towards any solution for the women, any solution or perhaps for women empowerment. So that is the need of the hour, and that certainly that needs to be done through this data, because these are the people who are lawmakers. These are someone who will inspire people to actually better the society. But instead of doing that, what we are seeing is a mudslinging from both the corners, from the BJP and the Congress, and that's exactly what is continuing in the poll-bound state of Jharkhand, where the votings are on. 3 phases have been done there.